Lako na lagi-isa. Hindi dapit. Saan daw nin?
Hindi na ma-audition.
Ah,
Itong
dapit.
thesis defense. Hindi namang thesis ra.
Thesis. Uloy loin. Send Berlin.
Yeah, akong gisan balik.
But it was Kim who did the ano man. So anyways, don't worry, I'll kan Mare ha. Thank you. Ito pa jud kong sumugo na tawagan na imong Mare, ma'am. Na, hi Mare, budget ka ng mga mat. Ay na. Oo. Nag-ano to sila, uy. Luy ang BPO diri Mare kay there kaan spread thinly yun. Kay they are tasked, they are requested to assist the ELT and they're tasked to cover pag yun. So ana ba mag-cover, mag-shoot na pag-product, mag-shooting pag yun sila so na-interview sa so mag-assist sila og mas ELT. The next day mag-assist sila mag-shoot pag yun. So I said na pull them out from the ELT na assistant shift and then mag-shoot sila. So ang ending daghan na kinagdaot nila din Ginoo ko.
Pero na makapagay mag-camp.
Yeah, but when we went to the pharmacy, kay wala si tambal na katong among sa Philippines bitaw. But sa Yugo daw si Kim kay mga 2 meters sa pharmacy. Si Kim, wala yun, ginuas na, yung sipo na, ano kita din, laban kaya mo ng show. So, dayon, magluto pa yun sila, magbugas ang plato, ana. Oh, na, mga saba ko marigoy, bugasin yung plato dire. So, anyways, sorry na sila. Okay, so, welcome back, Janine and Angel. Of course, before I say the decision of the panel, again, I'd like to extend my sincerest gratitude to Ma'am Michelle and Ma'am Ona for being here with us today, especially, I think it's already almost 12:30 on your end, right? It's here, it's 11:30 pa. 12:30 na sa inyo, no? Yeah, wala na ba mo ihatag na food sila ha? Tagay dyan na sa ninyo og food.
Yes.
So thank you so much, and we're able to, despite the distance, we're able to really discuss thoroughly the paper that you presented, despite it being very long. They were able to see the effort that you had, and so for this paper, in your defense, the panel has given you an approved decision, meaning that you passed the presentation today, provided of course that you comply with all the comments that they said, which are really good, really essential for your paper to be more presentable, to be more complete, no? So we lack that, and should you really get that, then this is really a very promising paper, no? And I'm inviting even as your advisor, Ma'am On and Ma'am Michelle, to come on board, and we'll do something with the paper. We can really present it in and chop it to smaller papers and really present it, no? With kay siya ka ng paper conference potential, no, mga inaana na level, and hopefully some publications will also be interested. Yun nga lang, you have to improve it. Okay, so congratulations Angel and Janine, sa wakas nagbunga ang mga pilar o mga kasama.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, sige. Let's not hold them long, your panel. Would you
Yes.
like to take a photo of everybody? Thank you.
One, two, three, smile.
Itong thesis defense name.
Ay, pwede na mo i-share ang screen sa ma'am. Sige, dyan, i-share.
No, look on one. Wait. Pato na lang eh. Dawatan na ito niya. ka lang?
Ano?
I-full screen me. Yes.
Wala. Nakalo?
Naman. Ako na lang.
Wala akong internet. Hindi ka daw.
Alo no, you left the meeting. Region. Naunsa man
Ano?
yan. Ako na pinawala ni. Aba, sorry.
Next,
Lang.
5 na.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Another 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Kadalan, tabag mataon.
Talagang din salamat. Yes. So, they will